Hello everyone! Welcome to Voice Vocabulary today. You will learn English through a powerful story. This story is about discipline, not motivation. Because motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. If you feel lazy, if you start things but don't finish, this story is for you. Listen carefully. And try to repeat the sentences. Let's begin. There was a boy named Alex. Alex was full of energy. He had big dreams. He wanted success. He wanted a better life one day. He watched a motivational video. He felt excited, very excited. He said, "From today, my life will change." He made a plan. Wake up early, exercise daily. Learn English, study hard. Everything was perfect. Day 1, he woke up early. He studied. He practiced English. He felt amazing. Day 2, same energy. Same excitement. But day 3, something changed. On day 3, Alex felt lazy. He said, "I will start tomorrow." He slept again. Day 4. He skipped again. Day 5, no study. No practice, no discipline. After 1 week, everything stopped. His plan failed. His motivation was gone. Alex felt bad. He said, "Why does this always happen? I start strong, but I stop." One evening, Alex went to a park. He saw a man running every day, same time. Same routine, no excuses. Alex was curious. He asked, "Why do you run every day?" The man smiled. "Because it is my habit," Alex said. "But what about motivation?" The man laughed. "Motivation? It is temporary. Discipline is permanent." Alex was confused. "What do you mean?" The man said. "Do you brush your teeth daily?" Alex said, "Yes." "Do you need motivation for that?" "No." "Why?" "Because it is a habit." The man smiled. "That is discipline. You don't wait to feel good. You just do it." That night, Alex thought deeply. He understood something. His problem was not lack of motivation. His problem was lack of discipline. Next day, he started again. But this time, he changed his mindset. No big promises, no big plans, just small actions every day. He studied for 10 minutes. He practiced English for 10 minutes, even when he didn't feel like it. Some days he felt tired. Some days he felt bored. But he continued. No excuses, no delay. Just action, he said to himself. "I don't need motivation. I need discipline." Day by day, he became stronger. After 1 month, Alex saw change. He was more focused, more confident, more consistent. His English improved. His habits improved. His life improved. He smiled. This time, it was real. One day, he met the man again. He said, "You were right. Discipline changed my life." The man smiled and said, "Success is simple. Do what you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it." Now, listen carefully. Motivation is easy. It comes fast, but it goes fast. Discipline is hard, but it stays forever. Don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait to feel motivated. Start anyway. Do it anyway, because your future depends on what you do daily, not what you feel. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to Voice Vocabulary. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video.